I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta.
Hi guys, nice to have you back to my channel Moonlight TV. I greet you guys according to your time. I hope you guys are good. I'm good too. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making oatmeal hair masks. Okay, just stay tuned and watch. As you all know, in this channel we do hair remedy stuff, hair growth, oils, hair masks for our natural hair. So just stay tuned and watch, and I hope you learn something. Yeah, after applying everything all through her hair, this is the outcome. As you can see, the hair is well moisturized and well detangled. As you can see, my daughter is even enjoying and flexing her hair. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. Thank you, my new and old subscribers. See you guys next time. Bye.